Wallet looking a little light? No worries, guys. I'm about to drop the ultimate meme coin strategy. Follow my lead, and you'll be stacking profits faster than you can say, to the moon. The strategy's coming, but first, your launch matters way more than you think. If you're on Pump Fun right now, you're basically setting money on fire. And I know you're smarter than that. Check this out. Fire up Photon and sort by Pump Fun launches. It's a clown fiesta of garbage coins dropping every 30 seconds. Newsflash, none of these are mooning. Pump Fun turned meme coin launches into a participation trophy. No skills required, no results expected. Switch to Radium's launch feed and watch the magic. Just a handful of new listings while other platforms drown in trash. This scarcity means actual demand. These projects move because launching here requires solid code, not just a Twitter meme. That technical barrier equals instant credibility. Ready for the step-by-step? Drop your bad ideas, cause Launchtool just broke the game. Radium launches without touching a single line of code? Yes, sir. This has been my profit printer all month, and it's stupidly simple. 1 minute you're clicking, next minute you're banking. Look, I've got my logo locked in, straight from Google. Perfect fit. Ha, and of course it's the dog theme. My best of all. Listen, quick tutorial. Canva, set new design to 128 by 128 pixels. Workspace, customize your graphic. Export it, 2 minutes tops. Next up, let's circle back to Launchtool. You'll want to punch in your coin specs. I'm rolling with Disco Dancing Dog for the required name, and just Disco for the symbol. And this gem in the description, Dance Dog meme has now been turned into a meme coin. Make yours funny too. Logo upload, and after you've done that, just click next. Here's the pro tip. Don't mess with decimals or that sweet 1B supply. Trust me, you'll need it. Next button. Let's go. Okay, we've got this creator information window open. It wants us to add a creator name and website. But they're charging 0.1 SOL per field. Hard pass from me, so I'll just turn that thing off and move on. Oh, about social links? You can skip them entirely like myself. Now listen carefully. This is where people mess up. If you disable the revoke mint function, you're creating a coin with no supply limit. And the revoke freeze? You're creating a coin with the ability to freeze trading at any time you choose. You really think anyone's going to invest in that? Of course not. So keep your hands off these settings. Just press launch my token, approve the transaction, and congratulations. Your token is now live on the blockchain. See how powerful Launchtool is? Now let's make sure our coin's live. Quick check on SolScan confirms it's on the network. Perfect. Back in Launchtool, click Create Liquidity Pool to get sent over to Radium. Connect your wallet if it's not already. Just click Connect Wallet, which you can see over here, and select Phantom as it will connect automatically. Here's the move. We need to set our coin as the base token. Just click on the Sol button, which will be replaced with your coin's symbol, copy your token address from Launchtool, and paste it in Radium. Then we'll finish the details. I'm using Disco Dancing Dog and Disco again. Hit Add User Token, click the button again, punch in 900 million, and pick Sol for the trading pair. Done and done. Listen up, you're going to be the very first buyer of your own coin, and that's exactly how it should be. Go all in, there's zero risk here. For proper credibility, keep at least 1 SOL in liquidity. Just subtract 0.2 SOL first for Radium's fee. Under initial price, you'll want the 2% fee tier. Give all the details one last look, then we can safely establish the liquidity pool. Approve that transaction, and there we go. Pool's created, which means we're now ready to take investors' money. And just like magic, your coin's now showing on Photon. Time to check the action. Pop open dexscreener.com and select any coin. Copy-paste your token address from Launchtool over the existing one, then refresh. Loading. Voila. Charts up. Those microtransactions? Bot noise? Ignore it. We're hunting whale-sized orders. Gonna relax until we see real movement. Alrighty guys, there is a very small transaction made about 45 seconds ago. Wait, first legit order just hit. This is just the beginning though. It's $114 and it's 0.88 Sol, and it's placed just 20 seconds ago as well. Gotta say, lovely. Current numbers, $450 in the liquidity and almost $280 in the market cap. Let's see where this goes. I mean, we are currently getting very small buy orders that are from $3 to $10, but I'm really hoping the big buys land on my doorstep any moment now. Called it. Numbers are pumping hard. Just got another 0.76 sol buy, which is basically close to $100. That came in under 30 seconds ago. Here's the dirty little secret I need to convey to you. Zero marketing is needed for this exact method. What's the real magic? You can rug this thing multiple times until you get bored with stacking that crazy cash into your phantom wallet. Genius method, huh? Anyways, just take a freaking look at these numbers, man. The liquidity $850 and the market cap $960. I got an addiction every time I see something like that. Like, I can't help myself for real. I'm just looking at this order book right now, and sadly, nothing is showing up. There are only very small buys and sells. I guess only time will tell what happens next. Oh, I forgot to show you that in 5 minutes, the coin has grew by almost 70%. Holy. Third order just landed. Its value? It's a mind-blowing $120, and in terms of Solana, that's almost one whole sol, man. I've got no words. Although, I'm showing you all of this just for the sake of the showcase video. And to be honest, my next genius move might be to rug the coin in a minute or something like that. But listen, if we get another buy within the next minute after this order, that would be amazing, and I'd definitely wait a bit more. The thing is, there are a lot of small sell transactions popping up in the order book. Hold up, something just crossed my mind. Let's check when the coin was actually paired to see how long it took us to hit a solid profit. Wow, man, it was only about 15 minutes ago, and peep this chart. It is up 500% within just minutes. Been waiting for 2 minutes and nothing's happening. I mean, the only good stuff right now is this, guys. Just scout these numbers real quick. It's insane. The liquidity is sitting at $960 and the market cap is sitting at $1.2K. I'll be honest, I'm too lazy to wait much longer for big orders, since I'm already super pleased with these numbers you see. So folks, prepare for the rocket to launch because it's time to exit. Head to Radium and connect your wallet. Select Standard to view your liquidity. Tap the minus icon and slide to 100%. This displays your withdrawable amount. Watch the sol value. That's your actual payout. Final step, click Remove Liquidity and approve the required transaction so you can be all good to go. Yeah, bag is secured right now for sure. That Remove Liquidity confirmed message means check your phantom. The sol should be there already. Started with $250, walked away with $250 profit, which means I doubled the total amount I invested. Just to be crystal clear, zero connection to Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium. Pure education here. But look, the strategy's still generating wild gains today. This train won't stay at the station long, so better make the most out of this insane opportunity, guys.